Hi Christine, no problem at all. It's easy. I have this same Duke pen, and I'll show you how it's done. Just open everything up, right? And you notice that there's this spring here. What that's for is, to use as a gravitational device to push the ink down whenever your thing is not full. That the ink goes downwards and doesn't get stuck up here due to vacuum, right? So this whole converter here is removable. The metal part right here, just twist it, okay, and you have this black shaft inside here, and that's what is used for twisting, right? You can pull the entire thing out. Alright, and since your spring is outside, just slide it back in. Okay, put this assembly right back and make sure that it fits well over here so that the ink doesn't leak. Give it a shot, try it, okay? And that's what this metal ring is for, is to prevent this from coming out this way. Okay, so just put the thing in, turn everything in, alright, and you have a working one again. Okay, so just put everything back in and voila, you have a working pen. Ta-da!